Today in this video, we will give away 5 iTop VPN VIP accounts totally free. So if you want to get one of these accounts, then stay tuned till the end of the video. Even though it has some drawbacks, it's still one of the most used VPNs by people. It's known for its simplicity and ease of use. Also, we will tell you how to get premium accounts for free without any limits. iTop VPN is one of the best VPNs out there that offers a variety of features like other premium VPNs. However, there are many users who want to use its premium features, but they can't afford to pay for it because it is a bit pricey compared to other VPNs. You don't have to worry about speed restrictions as you will get unlimited bandwidth. With premium, you can access more than 180 locations in 94 countries. It has a built-in ad blocker which will block all the annoying ads while browsing. Even though this is not enough for heavy users, it's still good enough for someone who occasionally uses a VPN. All you need is a good VPN like Nord or server. First of all, open your VPN and connect to a VPN server. After that, open your browser and search for iTop VPN. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Here you will see that we are on the official website of iTop VPN. As we are connected to a VPN, it will show that your current location is the country from where you have connected your VPN. You can simply click on the download button and install iTop VPN on your device. Once you have installed iTop VPN, open it and sign up for an account. Now you can see that we have successfully logged into our iTop VPN account, and it shows that we have 10 gigabytes of data to use. But as we have used a second method, we will get unlimited data. To check this, we will connect to any server. And now, you can see that we have unlimited data to use. All you have to do is install the app and sign up for an account. After that, you can see that we have been given 10 gigabytes of data. This data will be enough for around 20 to 30 days. You can use all the premium features of iTop VPN with this free version, but there is a limit on the data. And when the data gets finished, you have to wait for a new month to get 10 gigabytes of data. Again, there is no restriction on protocols as you can use all of them without any limitations. You will also get to use the split tunneling feature with premium. Now let's move towards the main part of the video, which is giving away 5 iTop VPN premium accounts. We will announce each winner one by one. So today, we are here with the solution to all those people. The third winner of iTop VPN is Michael Fassbender. Congratulations. The fourth winner of iTop VPN is Ben Palmer. Congratulations. The fifth and final winner of VPN is Mohammed Wasik. Congratulations, as we will give away 5 iTop VPN lifetime accounts and also tell you how you can get a premium account without paying a single penny. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss such giveaways in the future. Also, let's quickly go through the features that you will get with the iTop VPN premium account. There are 2 ways to get iTop VPN for free. The first way is by using the free version of iTop VPN, which comes with some limitations. If you want to get iTop VPN for free with all the premium features, then you can use our second method. But before that, let me tell you about the first method. With the premium version of iTop VPN, you will be able to connect up to 7 devices at the same time. The premium account will allow you to use this extension without any limits. If you want to use iTop VPN on your browser, then there is a special extension available for Chrome and Firefox browsers. Now, let's move towards the main part of the video, which is how to get iTop VPN for free. If you go to the official website of iTop VPN and download it, then you will see that we can get only 10 gigabytes of data per month. The second method is for those users who want iTop VPN premium features without any limits. So this was the way to get iTop VPN premium for free. The first winner of iTop VPN is Arian Kumar. Congratulations. The next winner of iTop VPN is Sarge. Congratulations. All the winners. We have sent you the login details of your iTop VPN premium account on your social media accounts.